Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue. Separate eggs carefully and set yolks aside immediately. Keep your bowl and whisk spotless to avoid fat contamination. Start whipping slowly, then increase speed to build stable peaks. Add a pinch of cream of tartar or lemon juice to help stabilize the foam. Gradually incorporate superfine sugar until glossy stiff peaks form and the sugar is fully dissolved. Whipping technique matters for stable meringues. Start slowly to build foam, then increase speed to medium-high until soft peaks form. Test a pinch of sugar between fingers to ensure it dissolves. For Swiss meringue, gently heat the whites and sugar over simmering water while whisking, then whip until cool and glossy. For Italian meringue, cook sugar to 115 degrees C, then slowly pour into whipping whites while continuing to beat. Keep bowl clean. Common problems have simple fixes. If your meringue is weepy, reduce sugar and avoid overbeating. Rewhip briefly with a tiny acid like lemon juice. If it collapses, check bowl temperature and avoid fat contamination. To store, keep baked meringues in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week and never refrigerate or they will soften. For unbaked Swiss or Italian meringue, refrigerate up to 24 hours, covered.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.